Good morning, it's Jipples Nipples back out in the field again. We continue our journey from Corsic to Southerness, trying to thread that needle all the way down to avoid the raptors. So we're in the beautiful coastal village of Clovend. I'll give you a little look around just shortly. Right, so as I say, this is Clovend. Still got our 17 birds, so okay, we're up to about 20 miles today. The trick we're trying to perform is there's a hill line right across over there. If you take the straight line from Corsic straight to Southerness, you have to go down there, and it's vile for raptors. So I'll show you the map later. We're actually trying to dogleg it through Clovend. I've done Kipford a couple of times. This is only 3 miles further. But then when they get up here, they should be able to see Kipford and Southerness. Good old electronicers for a bit of guidance. So yeah, this is another squeaky bum toss, but they haven't let me down so far. So we'll get on and let this go. Car coming there, so we'll just hold in 20 seconds. So yeah, unfortunately the raptor captor's in the top basket, my whites, and unfortunately my little Delaney grizzle, but he's always gone and she's always gone in there, so we're going to continue to let her go from there. 9 o'clock in the morning, high cloud, flat calm, 20 miles. Be lucky, babies. Right, the aim of the game is that's the direction they'd want to be going in once they finally go. And my good friend Mr. Dodster thinks to hang about for the rest of the birds to come out. So fuck it, they're going. Come on boys, let's see yous. "17 birds, clear day Clovend." Bit of wing clip in there so they're flying nice and tight together. Go on, that's Kipford that way, go on. Just go. Go, 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 go. Okay, you can have one turn. Get on, go, 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 go. Once they get a bit of height, they should be able to see Kipford from where they are now. Fucking dancer. See if they picked that up first time. Go on, go on, go on. Oh, heroic, heroic. That's once round and away to Kipford. I'm back in the car. See you back at the ranch.